There are more ways to make extra money than ever before, both online and offline. That's great, but knowing where to invest your time can be tricky. Use this list and discover new ideas to make money online and from home. Earn cash from walking, recycling, reviewing music, and even searching the web. Online paid surveys. A popular way for people to make money online is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can quickly make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to $5 for some surveys. Searching the web. Interested in how to make money fast by doing what you already do online? This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online. QMe.com rewards you for searching on Google, Bing, Yahoo, Amazon, and eBay. Install a simple browser extension and sponsored results will show alongside your normal search results. Each QMe result has a cash reward attached. If you are interested, simply click on it and collect your reward. You can also complete surveys to top up your earnings. The best thing is there is no minimum to cash out. You also have the option to donate it to charity. Online market trading. Investing in the stock market isn't necessarily an easy way to make money, but it can be lucrative if you learn to do it properly. By the same token, you may suffer significant losses if you don't take it seriously. Today, there is no need to fund the yachts of Wolf of Wall Street-style stockbrokers. You can do it all yourself with the help of online market trading platforms. Having spent many hours researching this new opportunity, I've been using the popular platform eToro.com. eToro has over 20 million users worldwide and offers free practice accounts. They've featured in the BBC Two documentary Traders, Millions by the Minute, and sponsor several Premier League football clubs. One of the best things on eToro is the Copy Trader feature. This lets you see, follow, and copy the investments of other top-performing traders. Review websites and apps. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser. So perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. Introducing User Testing, a platform that pays everyday people to review all kinds of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10, PS 6.50 via PayPal. Simply sign up to User Testing, complete a test review, and look forward to receiving websites in your inbox. Become a clickworker. The clickworker.com concept is based on internet crowdsourcing where businesses advertise specific, scalable tasks they need completing quickly. And for us, it's an easy way to make money fast from home. There are a variety of tasks, but most commonly they involve mindless data entry, web research, or form filling. You are paid in cash via PayPal for the work you choose to do. Part-time job. A part-time job is the obvious first choice for students looking to supplement their student loan. It provides a steady flow of income and valuable work experience, but good jobs are not always easy to find. Start with our student job search, then check local classifieds and your university career service for vacancies. It's also worth signing up with CV Library. This is a free service that matches your CV with suitable part-time jobs and career opportunities. Sell course notes. If you don't mind sharing your notes with other students, this is a good way to generate some extra cash. There are several sites where you can upload your notes. When another student downloads them, you get paid. Sites like Nexus Notes and Stuvia are free for you to list your notes. They take a small cut of any sales in return for connecting you with customers. You can submit handwritten notes, but you are likely to make more money if they're typed up. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.